Hello, it's me again, and I'm back with another one of your burning questions. And the one that I want to take a look at now is coming via Facebook from none other than a Mr. Grant Sissons. And Grant has asked what we use to remove the flow turbine on a Baxi Duo-tec. So first of all, Grant, thanks for your question, mate. Before I tell you what we use to take them out, I just want to point out a couple of things that you may already know. So we've used this kind of arrangement here on a number of our boilers over the years for hot water detection. And this forms part of the hydraulic inlet assembly. Now this one I've got in my hand is off a 600 or 800 combo. And the way we know that is because it's got a red top Hall effect sensor and it's got a turbine in the centre of it there. So when you or the customer runs the hot tap, then that turbine is going to spin a magnet on the top. The magnetic field will be picked up by the Hall effect sensor, then the boiler will know that someone's running the hot tap. Okay, so on the Duo-tecs and the Platinums it's slightly different, even though they do look the same. So you're going to have a clear Hall effect sensor instead of a red one on the Duo-tecs and the Platinums, and instead of it being a turbine we'd call it a bobbin. So when you look in the centre of that one you'd have a spring inside, so the magnet starts at the bottom. When the customer or yourself runs the hot tap, the magnet goes bump inside the Hall effect sensor, then the boiler knows that someone's running a hot tap. Okay, but going back to your question on how do you get them out, mate, you've already said 17 mils too small and 18 mils too big. So this is what we're issued at Baxi, and that is a 6-sided 18 mil socket there. So that's what we use to take them out. Okay. Also, I don't know if you'll be able to see the full extent of this, but you got issued an extendable ratchet as well. Okay, because that removes your hands out of the boilers. Also lets you get a bit of leverage on it as well. Okay, so Grant, thanks again for your question, mate. When you get 2 minutes, if you can DM us your details, we'll do our best to get you some Baxi goodies sent over. Unfortunately, you ain't going to get one of these though, mate, I don't think. So guys, those of you that are still working out there, hope you're all staying safe. Until next time, take care.